So you are staring at a 2019 Power Wagon. It'd be a 2020, but they haven't started making them yet. Powered by the 6.4 Hemi, 410 rear end. Already ready for off-road. What can you ask for more? This one right here is more of a standard model. Not all the whistles and upgrades. Still looks good. Still got a lot of features to it. Let's look at these tires real quick. Piston shocks. Front axle disconnect. I think this one really needed some trailer tow mirrors on it. I'm going to show you the little brother next. This is a 2020 Ram Rebel. Powered by the 5.7 Hemi. Same two-tone look. Off-road ready. That is a sweet little truck. One of my favorite things about these trucks is the inside. Got that black and red Rebel look. Full center console. Trailer brakes. Rebel in the seats. That white and black just pops. I want to show you this other one. This is bigger brother. This also is a 19 Ram Power Wagon. Two-tone blue. So it's got a bed cover on it. Same wheels and tires as the first one. This one's got the 12-inch screen, trailer tow mirrors. Got that legendary 6.4 Hemi. That is a monster screen. Sunroof in this one. Got the front axle disconnects. The 12,000-pound winch on the front, which is not spooled out. I think all three of these in one driveway look really, really good. Don't know which one I drive every day. That's a map right there that you're not gonna not be able to see. Front axle disconnect, rear axle lock, rear axle unlock, down here descent, sway bar just release. 4-wheel drive in the floor. Memory seat. One of the coolest things about these heavy duties nowadays, let me roll this window down. So you can still turn them in. You can adjust the inside mirror. But now you can adjust the outside mirror. If I turn it on. No more getting out with your thumbs. I like that. Oh. Go look at this little Rebel. Just looks mean. I think this one needs the built-in winch, the axle disconnect. You could even use the 12-inch screen in this one. Full center console. So that's big brother over there. That's little brother. This medium brother. Oh, this one's not near as fancy as the other two. It'll get the job done like the rest of them. I guess I locked myself out. This one doesn't have the proximity entry. So let me find the key. This one's gonna have the cloth with the tire tracks in it. Power seats, power windows, regular mirrors. Navigation on a smaller screen. It's still gonna have your front and rear axles locked, rear axle lock, the sway bar, 4-wheel drive in the floor, push button start, cruise control, voice recognition and Bluetooth. Thing's low on fuel. Still a great truck, less the price of the bigger one. Still looks good. Still got the power. Let's see if I can get all these together. See how far I got to back up. And there you have it. It's a Ram family right here. And if you're a Ram family, why not take these home with you, put them in your driveway, and everybody know you're the Ram family. Thank you for your time today.